Then the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
So hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I will teach you how to register in OASis, which is a requirement also if you are going back to the Philippines, lalo na if ikaw ay bababa sa NAIA, and ito po ay hinahanap ng airport personnel. So, ito po yung link. I-click lang natin. So, anyway, I will put the link on my description box and then just click and magda-direct na po ito sa kanilang website. So, ito po yung lalabas. Ibig sabihin ng OASis is OFW Assistant Information System. So, after nyan is click nyo registered and we will just complete this form kung ano man yung mga hinihingi nila. So, take note, kung nakita nyo may asterisk dyan na kulay pula, hindi ibig sabihin na yan lang yung i-fill upan natin. Ibig sabihin, lahat na nakikita nyo dito is fill upan natin. Kasi hindi tayo makapag-proceed ng ating registration kung hindi natin to i-complete. So, we'll just complete this form, then, so, i-click lang natin region, kung saan region man kayo, yung province, municipality. So, hanapin nyo lang yan. Then, you will just complete. So, nature of work, if you are land-based or sea-based, so alam naman natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng land-based at sea-based. Yung land-based is kagaya natin ng mga healthcare workers, or ikaw po ay nasa mall or restaurant nagtatrabaho, if ikaw po ay domestic helper or kadama, so we will just click the land-based. Sea-based is yung mga seafarer or yung mga sa cruise ship nagtatrabaho. So, occupation, so lagay niyo lang kung anong occupation nyo. Country, so point of country, so ibig sa Saudi, kung saan man kayong lugar, hanapin nyo lang yan. Hanapin nyo kung saan kayong lugar. Saudi. Then, di ba dito, napansin nyo, may asterisk, tsaka yung iba is wala. So, hindi ibig sabihin is hindi natin to fill upan kasi hindi tayo makapag-proceed pag wala rin to, pag incomplete yung data natin. So, fill upan ko lang po to, then I will be back. Then, current employment status. So, if ikaw is na-laid off, natanggal ka sa trabaho, ikaw is no work, no pay. So, karamihan yan is maraming naapektuhan. End of contract. So, exit ka na. If on vacation, so tayo magbabakasyon, or amnesty recipient. So, we are on vacation. Then, contact person in case of emergency, either your wife, your son, your daughter, your mother, or your father, or your brother. So, i-complete lang natin dito. So, in here, if may nakita kayong specific needs, example, if you are a PWD person or may kasama kayong PWD na may kasama rin kayong mga matatanda, may bata, pregnant ka ba, or ikaw is may pre-existing condition kagaya ng ikaw ay dialysis patient, so i-click niyo yan kung ano yung pre-existing condition nyo. Kasi yung OWA is may exemption sa mga special cases sa mga ganyang sakit. And baka ma-decrease din yung quarantine nila if nasa category sila ng kanilang sa kanilang mga hinihingi. So, nature of repatriation. So, example is na ano ka ng employer, host government, if it is your own expense, then the Philippine government. So, wala na yan. Then, date of flight. So, lalagay natin yung date of flight mo kung kailan ka yung inyong pabalik ng Pilipinas. Lagay lang natin. Port of origin, kung saan ka nanggaling, kung saan kang lugar mismo ngayon. So, tatype nyo lang kung anong lugar nyo. Transit connecting airport, if any. Pero if wala, sulat nyo talaga yung none. So, kung meron naman, if Bahrain kayo dadaan or any country, so lagay nyo lang yon. Airport of destination, so kung ano man nakalagay ng ticket, sa ticket nyo kung saan kayo bababa. Date of arrival, then expected time of arrival. So, i-click lang natin yan. Then, i-click natin to that you are aware sa lahat ng mga pinag-fill upan mo dito. Then, I am not a robot. So, i-click lang natin. And after that, we will submit the application. Then, ito yung lalabas, submitted successfully. Then, just press OK. Then, so ito na yung lalabas. Basahin nyo ng mabuti. Basahin nyo ng mabuti. And if you agree sa lahat ng survey dito and you fully understand what is written, so you just click yes. Yes. So, then, after that is titignan nyo na lang or i-double check nyo yung lahat ng nakasulat na information sa inyong finilapan para hindi na kayo mag-edit at hindi rin kayo mahihirapan in the near future. So, dito sa baba, may tanong din, did you return to the Philippines because your employment has short due to effect of COVID-19 pandemic? So, kagaya ko is vacationing, nagve-vacation lang. So, we will just press no. And, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo talaga pumunta ng interview sa survey ng sa OWA nito. And just, kung gusto nyo, then press yes. If none, so just press no, then just submit. Then, press OK. Oh, sorry. Meron pa pala. Sorry. So, you just complete. Hindi ko siya nakita. Then, we will just complete na lang. Then, just submit. Then, submitted successfully. Then, just press OK. Then, we will just wait na lang kung ano yung ano. So, yun na. So, yun lang po kadali kung paano po mag-register ng bagong updated na OASis form. So, kailangan lang po natin is fill upan yun ng lahat-lahat and double check po if may nakalimutan. So, kagaya ko is may nakalimutan ako. So, hindi po tayo makapag-proceed or makapag-send successfully if may nakalimutan po tayo. So, yun na po, and no need for the QR code or transaction number. Yun po is already registered in OWA. So, yun guys, salamat and safe trip and happy trip. God bless and thank you for watching my videos. God bless you. Bye-bye.